YATCO presents Exclusive Yachts. Today, we'll explore the motor yacht La Sultana, a former 1962 passenger ferry on the Black Sea. The former Soviet-era luxury yacht for sale has received a complete overhaul and is now a stunning super yacht, competing with the very best private luxury yachts. Her lines strongly evoke that of a true gentleman's yacht. The aluminum superstructure was rebuilt according to its original shape and entirely re-riveted. Located in Tangier, Morocco, super yacht La Sultana is just over 214 feet long and underwent a major 7-year rebuild. Enticed by her classic yacht lines, La Sultana Hotel Group in Morocco decided to purchase her and undertake the extensive refit that took 1.2 million man-hours. The super yacht arose in 2015 as La Sultana, a glamorous retro-style luxury yacht, fully crewed, classified to RINA standards, and ready for charter in the Mediterranean. Stripped from keel to her upper deck, she experienced a reconfiguration of her yacht interior and exterior spaces, yet her authenticity and history has been preserved through her exceptional Art Deco Oriental-style interior. This luxury yacht incorporates a number of special features such as an exterior and interior pool for guests to enjoy. She also features a beach club and direct access to the sea, as well as a helipad on the forward deck. The 214-foot 7-inch super yacht La Sultana also has plenty of modern yacht toys and diving equipment, along with a mini moke 4x4 for exploring. She features copious amounts of seating all around her exterior decks that is plush and pretty. Each of the staterooms is uniquely designed and bathed in warm woods to evoke feelings of the utmost well-being. The super yacht La Sultana also boasts a huge upper deck which comfortably accommodates up to 150 guests. Her interior spaces have been reworked and retooled to formulate the most comfortable rooms at sea for her guests. Thanks to her new commercial engine only having 1,000 hours since she was fixed on board, her fuel consumption is as low as 140 liters per hour at 11 knots. La Sultana is a truly unique super yacht both inside and out, and boasts exclusive qualities that are not typically seen in your everyday vessel. See more listings like this on YATCO.com, the world's most trusted multiple listing service for yachts and boats for sale.